Hey ladies, it's that time again for yet another hair tutorial, and I think you're gonna like this one. Today's hairstyle is a braided ponytail with a braid down the middle, and if you'd like to see how I did this, keep watching this video. And just a friendly reminder, if you like what you see and enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, comment down below, and of course, subscribe. Alright, so I'm starting off this tutorial on, of course, wash day. And the first thing I'm going to do is part my hair down the middle. I'm creating the middle part first, and then I'll create my ponytail. But as you can see, I'm parting it down the middle, and then I'm going to part it on the side, basically making a T-part. And I'm going to mirror the same action on the other side, and you'll shortly see the T-part. It's okay if your parts are a little sloppy, it doesn't matter because we're making a middle part. This just helps me make the middle part a little bit more straight. So right now I'm taking my parting comb and making a straight line down. It's okay if it's not even and it's a little sloppy because I'm gonna go back in, curve it a little bit, and make the part a little bit more cleaner. If you would like a more in-depth video about how I create cleaner parts, especially curved parts, take a look at that link in the top right, or top left, yeah, top right of my braided updo, and you can see more details of how I create a curved part. But basically, it's just curving that comb around, applying gel, curving it around again, applying gel, just doing a repetitive method to create that curve. For this tutorial, I'm not making it as curved as I usually do. I'm just making it slightly curved. So as you can see, I applied the gel and I'm just going through that part again with the comb to make it a little bit more cleaner. And I'm going to repeat the same step on the other side, applying the gel and cleaning up the part a little bit while slightly tilting my comb inward. Once I've cleaned up my parts, I'm going to apply gel down the middle of this part, make sure I get my edges, brush the sides down, brush the part, because I'm going to braid this middle part. So I love wearing nails and acrylics, however, I can't really do my hair, I can't really twist, I can't really braid with acrylics, so I had to cut my nails a little bit shorter, and when you cut them, they are like a little sharp. So that's why like my braid was slightly crooked because it's so hard for me to braid with fake nails. So I had to straighten up my braid a little bit by pushing the hair inward or straightening out the braid. For this hair tutorial, it's okay if the braid is slightly crooked. I'm just going to be putting hair jewelry down the middle, so it's not going to be as noticeable as you think. So now I'm going to slick back my hair. I'm going to divide it into parts and apply my gel, brush it, divide it in parts, apply gel, and brush it. And basically that whole entire side is going to be swooped to the side to create that slick back look. Aw, my hair is so curly. I mean, for a second there, it kind of looks cute just like this. Just having the braid in the middle and then the hair curly. But we're not going to do that. So anyway, I'm going to brush down the sides. And for me, it's okay if it's a little wavy. It doesn't have to be super, super sleek. It can be sleek with gel. It's okay if you have some waves in there. I don't mind waves because it's going to match the texture of my ponytail, which you're going to see very shortly. But there we go. My sides are nice and sleek. And now I'm going to make them even more sleeker by using the Got to Be Glued spray and the Eco Styler 48-hour gel. This is my go-to combination for whenever I'm doing a slick back look. It works for my hair type, it works for my hair texture. I just combine the two together, rub it together in the palms of my hands until it's like almost like a sticky paste. I applied this to the sides, brush it, apply it to the sides, brush it, and can't forget the back. And look at that shine. Ooh, look how slick that looks. And then I put it on my scarf to let it sit. And then I'm going to show you the secret to creating the ponytail. I'm using the Eco Shake and Go pre-stretch braided drawstring ponytail. The link is in the bio to buy it or just see the details of it. Here it is. I got it in the color 1B. It comes in several different colors. Also comes in ombre colors as well, but this is what it looks like. Now this one is one that I already used. This one I think is a black or a brown. I'm not quite sure, I don't remember, but I had gotten two different ones to see how the colors would blend with my hair. Here's one, and you know what's funny? It kind of looks like the Elsa braided clip ponytail that kids use in their hair. That's what I thought it initially looked like. It looked like that Elsa ponytail. So this drawstring ponytail is 38 inches long. It is almost as tall as me. I wanted one that was shorter so I didn't look as short with the ponytail, but I was like, what the heck, just have one longer. So this drone style ponytail comes with two combs, one at the top and one at the bottom, and you attach it to the top of your ponytail, and then you take your hair, put it inside the drawstring part, and then attach the bottom comb underneath the ponytail. And boom, instant long hair, don't care, braided ponytail. This is such a time saver if you're trying to do a cute hairstyle the same day, but also I like braided drawstring ponytails because instead of adding like the hair to my ponytail and braiding it down, like I want my ponytail to look on point at all times. So I prefer the drawstring ponytail because I can put it on and take it off whenever I feel like it. So that means it's not gonna look ratty, it's not gonna look like it has a lint on it, and it's gonna last longer if I don't sleep in it. So I use this product right here. I put this on the ponytail to make it last longer because I do like to use my ponytail on multiple occasions or for another hairstyle. So that's one reason why I use this product. So to spice up my ponytail a little bit, I'm going to add a little piece of hair jewelry on the bottom. It's going to match my jewelry that I'm going to wear. So it's going to match my nose ring, necklace, and earrings. But I'm going to put one piece on the bottom, and then I'm going to put some hair jewelry down my braid as well. Now, you can also add the hair jewelry throughout the braided ponytail, but for this tutorial, I decided not to do that. But you can put all different color. You can put like rainbow hair jewelry. You can put twine in your hair. You can do anything you want with this tutorial. I decided just to keep it simple and classy. I could stop here, but I'm going to take it a step further and add this cute little smiley face. And a couple of you guys are probably wondering, does that little smiley face bother my forehead? No, it does not. I get used to it, so it doesn't like irritate my scalp or rub against my scalp and I'm like, oh, that's a bug. All right, here's the finished look. I rocked this ponytail on several occasions. So here I am in Ocean City, Maryland on vacation. My ends are sticking up a little bit because it was a little humid, but it held up pretty well near that ocean sea salt. That same night I went to the club, but look, it still looks as if I just did it. Yes, I'm telling you. Look, I love it. This is a different night. I am at a Phillies game. It did rain quite a bit that day. It's actually just like a slight mist in the air now, but I have a little bit of my edges sticking up, but for the most part, the look, once again, it held up. This day I was actually filming some content for this particular video, and I'm gonna start doing that. I'm gonna start incorporating behind the scenes footage or parts of my life into the videos so you guys can see a little bit more of me. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you enjoy content like this, make sure you like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification on the bottom to be notified when new content comes out. Until then, see you next time. Bye.